Ever thought a pressure cooker could be your plant's best friend? Well, get ready to be amazed. In plant tissue culture, keeping everything sterile is a game changer. But did you know you can use a pressure cooker as an autoclave? Yup, that trusty kitchen gadget can help you kill those pesky microbes. Here's how it works. A pressure cooker superheats water by increasing steam pressure, just like an autoclave. The magic number? 15 psi. At this pressure, water boils at 121 degrees Celsius, or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for sterilizing your growth media and equipment, like surgical knife, tweezer, petri dishes, beaker, and even tissue paper. First, add an inch or two of water to the pressure cooker. Once it hits its highest pressure, start your timer for 25 minutes. That's it! Your equipment will be microbe-free and ready to go. So next time you're prepping for plant tissue culture, remember, your pressure cooker might just be your new best friend. Happy growing!